Question number 4. A water tank is for feet full of water. When 1,900 liters of water is fetched, the tank becomes 1/6 full of water. We have to find the capacity of the water tank, the initial volume of water in the tank. Correct one decimal place the volume of water remaining in cubic centimeters. The B for the top T of a cliff, the angle of depression of a point P on the ground is 45 degrees. If the height of the cliff is 25 centimeters, draw a diagram for it and find the distance between the foot of the cliff and the point P. X be the capacity of the tank. So the question said the water tank is for feet full. That's 4/5 times X. And then we are drawing out 1,900 liters from it. And what is left is 1/6 of the X. So times 5 times 5 times 5. It goes up here. Or let me use the LCM 30, 30, 30, 6, and then 5. So 6 times 4 is 24x minus 30 times 1,900. And that's equal to 5x. So I can say 24x minus 5x is 330 times 1,900. And this is 19x is 30 times 1,900. Divide by 19, divide by 19. 19 here, 1, 19 here, 1, 19 here, 0, 19 here, 0. X is 30 times that. 3 1 is 3, and then there are 3 zeros. So that is the full capacity of the water tank. That's 3,000. The question I say is that we are supposed to find the capacity of the water tank, and that is 3,000 as we have gotten. That's the EI. Now the II is the initial volume of water in the tank. So initial volume is for feet X. 5 here 1, 5 here 600. 4 times that is 2,400 liters. Now I the volume of water remaining. So volume of water remaining is 1/6 times 3,000, and that's 500 liters. But they are asking to find it in cubic centimeters. So how many cubic centimeters gives you a liter? And it's 1,000. cm cube is 1 liter. And we are changing 500 liters. So that becomes that 500 liters out of 1 times 1,000 cm cube. That's going to be 5 1 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 cm cube. B. From the top T of a cliff. So this is the top T of a cliff, the eye level. And then the angle of depression, we are watching something down there, and that's 45 degrees. The height of the cliff is 25 centimeters. The angle here is 90. That's the diagram. The question says to draw a diagram, but down with that one, you have to find the foot. So that's X here. And that same X is here. So what can we use? Opposite and adjacent, that is tan. So tan the angle 45 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tan 45 is given as 125 out of X. So X times 1 is X, and that's 25 centimeters. And that is the distance between the foot of the cliff and the point P. That's it.